So here's how to add a timestamp to your YouTube video description and comments. Now the timestamps on YouTube allows you to highlight key moments in your video and make your video more user-friendly. They are also keyword optimized. So when you open your browser and make search, you also find YouTube videos that have timestamps. You'll see it under the video details, the key moments in the video. When you tap on the drop down, you'll be able to view full details of the timestamps. And when a viewer taps on any of the key moments, they'll be taken to exactly that point in the video. So if you want to add a timestamp to your video, open YouTube Studio and then to the video. On mobile, you want to tap on the pencil icon to edit your video and then tap on the description section. On PC, you want to log in into your YouTube Studio, and in the Studio section, you want to click on Content. Under your content, you want to hover over the video you want to add a timestamp to, and then you see the pencil icon. Click on this, and this will take you to the YouTube video details. Under the video description, here you'll be able to add timestamps. This is usually after a brief description of your video. You can add it in any section of your video description. To add a timestamp, you can enter your timestamp in this format. You want to begin with 00:00. This usually is the beginning of your video, like your introduction, which the first 00 stands for the number of minutes and the second for the seconds. You can usually get this from your video. The second begins the next chapter of your video. Once you've organized all your key moments, go ahead and copy all the key moments you've created and then go to your video description. Paste the key moments you've just created and then go back and save. On PC, go ahead and paste in the description and then click on save. Now, when someone watches your YouTube video, in the description section under more, when you tap on more to view more again, you see the highlighted key moments. When a viewer clicks on this, it takes them to that section of the video. To add a timestamp in the comment section of your video, go to your YouTube video, and then in the comment section of your video, you can do this both on YouTube Studio app and in the YouTube app. You can also reply a comment with the timestamp. And tap on send to send your comment. And you see that your comment has now been highlighted. This will help take viewers to that section of your video. On PC, you can do the same way. You scroll to the comment section and then add a comment with your key moments. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips.